Python developer salary in India. Python has been taking the world of programming by storm since the last decade, and with each passing year, it is only growing in popularity. As a result, a Python developer's salary in India is significantly higher than those who are working with legacy web development languages. Let us take a look at who exactly is a Python developer and what is his salary in India. Python developers are usually in charge of designing and coding software applications with the help of Python language. Primary responsibilities of Python developers are writing code for the backend, debugging the errors, and integrating. According to /Data, there are 8.2 million developers who use Python in the world and 7.6 million developers who use Java. Python developers are growing in numbers every day. Here are some of the key reasons to learn Python. Number 1. Efficiency. There is so much that you can do with Python, and that too with a simple snippet of code. Instead of creating complicated loops, you can use regular expressions. There are so many resources that make Python application easy to write and understand, which is in stark contrast to what you get with other programming languages. Python is easy to learn. Perhaps simplicity is one of the primary reasons why Python is becoming one of the most preferred languages of software professionals. Concepts such as loops, conditions, functions, and other such technical parts are easier to learn as compared to learning them in C++, the most basic of all object-oriented programming languages. Number 3. Python is also used in academia. Python is now being taught in computer science curriculum in schools and colleges. As a result, learning the language becomes easier right from the beginning. The existence of Python as a development language has gradually gained traction and has thus entered various industries. Also, Python is being used in universities for research and development in disciplines such as robotics and artificial intelligence systems. The salaries of Python developers in India have increased dramatically after the rise of data science. So, the demand for Python developers is growing along with their salaries. Python developers come in various roles and forms. Here are some of them. Number 1. Data scientists. Data science is basically statistics implemented through programming. Alongside R, Python has also shown its mettle in sorting out data as per generic and specific requirements. As far as India is concerned, Python programmers for data science earn more than both software developers as well as DevOps programmers. An entry-level data scientist can earn up to rupees 5 lakh per annum with less than 1 year of experience. As experience and skills grow, the earnings rise dramatically and senior-level data scientists make more than rupees 17 lakhs per annum in India. Number 2. Artificial intelligence or machine learning engineers. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are mere umbrella terms for a number of applications that are applied across many disciplines and technologies. They also involve robotics, data analytics, web development, developing chatbots, intelligent application development, and much more. A machine learning engineer with less than 1 year of experience can earn around rupees 5 lakhs per annum, which is clearly one of the highest entry-level salaries in India. The salary of senior-level engineers with more than 10 years of experience is more than rupees 20 lakhs per annum. Number 3. Web developers. Web developers will need to go out of demand. Web development requires robust and flexible languages, and Python fits the bill. Frameworks like Django and Flask have helped create amazing web applications that have stood the test of time and user load. As a result, the demand for Django and Flask developers is rapidly growing. For an entry-level web developer with the experience range less than 1 year, the average salary is approximately rupees 2.25 lakhs per annum, while for a senior-level web developer with 10 to 19 years of experience, the average annual salary goes up to rupees 10 lakhs per annum. A Python developer's salary in India can be affected by multiple factors. They are: Number 1. Experience. An average salary of an entry-level Python developer in India is approximately rupees 4.27 lakhs per annum. The average salary of a mid-level Python developer in India is approximately rupees 9 lakhs per annum. The average salary of an experienced Python developer in India is approximately rupees 11 lakhs per annum. Number 2. Location. Python developers from Gurugram and Bengaluru earn 26% to 21% more than the rest of India respectively. Chennai, Pune and Hyderabad are among the lowest paying cities for Python developers in India. Number 3. Job role. There are multiple roles Python developers play in information technology like data scientist, machine learning engineer, DevOps engineer, web developer, etc. The salary depends on the job role. Number 4. Skill set. When Python developers have knowledge of skills, it increases their salary accordingly. So, when Python developers increase their skills in languages like AWS, Django, Docker, Linux, etc., their demand and salary also rise exponentially. Also, their strengths with Python tools play a vital role in the selection process. Be it web development with Django or Flask or data science with Pandas and NumPy, Python is going to fetch programmers significantly higher pay. So, if you are one of those programmers or developers who think they are stuck in a dead-end programming job, this is your opportunity to make it big by learning Python.